Hello, my friend. This is Somi from WMT CNC. We are professional machinery manufacturer, mainly product CNC lathe, manual lathe, machining center, and so on. We have sold our machine to all over the world, more than 140 countries, and keep reading. Today, we will show you our best-selling machine, big spindle CNC lathe, pipe-threading CNC lathe. This is our big spindle CNC lathe, CK61160. Mainly product large diameter workpieces, big product range, high precision. The Fulger chuck clamp workpieces firmly. Standard size is 1000 mm. We also can offer customer different size according to customer requirements. Spindle bow 140 mm. Spindle speed 10 to 300 revolution per minute. Max distance between center is 1500 mm. We also can offer you 10,000 mm, 3000 mm, 5000 mm, even more larger. Max swing or bed diameter is 1600 mm. Ride wise is 755 mm. Be made by high rigidity materials. Standard accessory vertical 4-station tool poster. Automatically change tools, improve efficiency. If you need 2, 8, 6, or 8 electric turret, we also can offer you. This machine system we can offer according to customers' requirements. Usually we offer Siemens, GSK, Fanuc. If you need to know more details about our big spindle CNC lathe CK61160, please feel free to contact us.